This is my first video starting talking about e-commerce and explaining what e-commerce is. Why I jump in to talk about e-commerce and explain all that stuff, because I've seen so many gurus up here online, YouTube and everything. A lot of people, they don't really give you the right explanation of everything. They show you numbers, but e-commerce, okay, I win this, I make this much money and everything. Actually, there is a trick to trick all these numbers to show you that I can put 5 million if I want now in a ClickBank or whatever. I'll show you these tricks during these videos, courses of these videos. During all the summer, I'm gonna give a lot of courses, a lot of guidance about how to do e-commerce the right way. Where is it the e-commerce? What's the difference between e-commerce and a normal business? And I'm here to help whoever wants to go to start the e-commerce. Whoever wants to start the e-commerce business, I'm here to help you. I'm going to show you tricks, techniques, the way you research and the way you look for product, the way you sell it, the tactic, how to sell it and everything. And I'll also teach you how to make funnels the right way. And me and my team, I have a big team that help me, that do a lot of things. I am nothing without my team. Hello, how you doing? How's everything? I didn't want to start talking about this stuff, but I had a lot of requests. A lot of people from the YouTube channel asked me for more explanation about online and e-commerce and funnels and all that stuff. There is so many explanations to do, so many courses, so many ways to do things. I think it's a lot of people. There is a lot of gurus up here, like YouTube. I don't like to criticize people, but there is like a lot of people that's telling you a lot of bullshit. I'm sorry about the expression, but so many wrong ideas about e-commerce and the tools and everything. I would like to start actually clarifying a lot of misunderstanding and a lot of mistakes that all the new e-commerce people are doing. In so many ways. There are so many people that, for example, don't understand what does that mean a funnel. So many people, they don't understand what does that mean. What is it? The funnel. What is it for actually? Why we need funnel? Okay, right. So many people don't know what is the difference between e-commerce and a normal business. Okay, e-commerce, it is a business, but the normal business, it's not an e-commerce. Okay, there is so many explanations, so many things we can say actually about all that stuff. But after the gym, we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna be talking about all that stuff. Not in the gym, maybe in my office. And if you have any requests, any question about e-commerce, any things that it's not explained, my explanation is going to be completely different than everybody else. It's going to be the right explanation. I'm going to give you secrets of how to find the products, how to sell it, how to market the product. What is a funnel? Okay, this is going to be my first video. I really want to talk about funnel because I just fired someone that worked for me. Actually, I fired two last week and this week just because of funnel. People don't know what funnel is. Funnel, it's not making an page or landing page or bridge page to sell product. No, funnel is completely different. Funnel is a process to sell. Okay, landing page, website, whatever the heck you have, it's different than funnel. Funnel, when you are building a funnel, you are not a web designer, you're a marketer. Okay, now you can use a web designer to do that. That's shit for you, it's fine. But the thing that you're supposed to know, and all of you, and I thought that fucking pissed me off, okay? Funnel, that's not a website, okay? Funnel is a process to sell products. So don't start the funnel with, please buy this product, or click here to buy this product. piss me off. Don't do that. That's not funnel. Funnel is like this, okay? You start by talking about the process in general, making the problem, trying to go to the solution, and select your people. First of all, the people, they're gonna be hearing or reading what you're saying. They're gonna be like, okay, this is this problem I have, no, this problem I don't have. Okay, if they said I have this problem, they are inside the funnel, they're going down, okay? And you keep on going, you keep on talking about the product, you keep on talking about things that is interesting. Okay, first of all, it's a big problem or big issues, and then these issues has a solution, and the solution, you know what it is, and you start to find a solution. At the end, when you find a solution, the people that are watching or are still reading, these people right there, the last people, this is your client, potential client. These people, you can tell them, okay, I want to offer you this solution for this product. And still, if you're a smart salesman, you still don't want to say, I want you to buy it. No, these people are like most likely going to buy this product. They need, not going to buy, but let's say they need this product. If they need it, they are fine. They are potential customer, what we call leads. Okay, these people are your leads, but you can't force them to buy it. You have to show them why to buy it. Okay, so go to the next page, right? And the next page, you're gonna tell them why you want to sell this, or why this product is good for them. Okay, it may resolve the problem, but not their problem. Okay, so the people has to know that this funnel or this product that you're selling is gonna resolve my problem. If I'm following you, if I'm reading all this and I'm getting interested, I want to know that this product that you are offering is gonna resolve my problem, and it's gonna make life easier for me, it's gonna make life beautiful for me, it's gonna make life cheaper, it's gonna save me time and everything. If not, then why the heck am I gonna buy it? All right? So you have to go through all this. Only when you're done with all this, you're done with everything, then you can offer that. Okay? If you have 1,000 people following in the beginning, it's not going to be at the end 1,000. That's what we call a funnel. Because at this 1,000 people at the beginning, most of them, they don't care about this product, they don't need it, they don't even understand it, or they are too busy to watch you, etc. Okay? At the end, you will have, let's say, 2% of these people. If you have 10 people, 15 people, you're beautiful. You're the best marketer in the world. Okay? And that's what we call funnel. All right? Then you offer them, click here. If you want to buy it, then most of the last people who stay with you at the end, most of them will buy it. Because you convince them, you show them, you master the whole game. Okay? You show them, look, this is exactly what I want you to do. This product is gonna make life easier for you, make life beautiful, save you time, save you money, etc., etc., etc. Okay, and of course you can, even if you're very smart, you can bring people who already bought it. Like for example, some client here and there, testimonies. People's gonna say, okay, well, I bought this product and make life easier for me. Okay, this Cindy from California, Tony from New York, make life easier for him. So why not me? All right. So now, after all this stuff, then you put this stupid button buy now, not before. All right. If you put it before, you fucked it up. Okay. So don't piss me off. I'm sorry. I don't like to say bad words. But please, this is the funnel. Now the building of the website, that's a different thing. You can call somebody who's good at building it, and it's easy. Actually, ClickFunnels makes a life easier for everyone. All right, I'm a client of ClickFunnels. All right. So please don't make mistakes anymore. All right. And if you have any question next time, you can leave a comment here. And if you have any question, anything on e-commerce you want to understand, any secret that nobody is gonna tell you, let me know, because there's a lot of secrets that I've seen here and there. I don't have time to watch all the videos, but the videos that I've been watching, I find out those guys, they just don't tell you the whole secrets, okay? They show you, okay, well, I'll make $100 a day, I'll make $1,000 or 1 million, whatever. They don't, this is, if it's true, well, it's like not even 5% of them they are really making money. If it's true, they don't show you the how, the exactly how and where they get the product, how they sell it, how they market it, okay? I'm gonna show you in this channel how to research the product, how to look for the products, how to look for the competition, how to copy the competition, because this is what everybody does, okay? It's not against the law, trust me, and everybody do the same. Pepsi copied Coca-Cola in the beginning, and a lot of people keep on copying each other. Domino's copy Pizza Hut, and then the Papa John's copy Domino's and Pizza Hut, etc., etc. And everybody else is copying from each other. It's very normal. That's what we call competition. Competition is healthy. It's good. The more competition is there, the better it is. Okay? By the way, I forgot to say, my name is Jimmy Moniz. I am a marketer for long years, and I own a digital marketing company. In the future, I'm going to talk to you more about me, but I'm not really important. What important is I have a lot of experience in the marketing, tons of experience in the normal marketing, the old-fashioned way of marketing, and the digital marketing. I taught myself, and also I study and I want to invest in everything. So I'm going to teach you all this stuff in this channel. If you have any question, let me know. Okay? Hasta la vista. Bye-bye.